welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. According to Ayurveda, a system of medicine that uses plants to cure diseases, Ashwagandha or Withania somnifera is known to have therapeutic properties. It is an antimicrobial and an excellent anti-cancer agent. The roots and leaves of this plant in particular contain metabolite compounds that are used to make medicines. This is why ashwagandha is now being grown as a commercial crop. But it is difficult for the seeds to germinate and survive, and often there is a long wait between planting and harvesting. This impedes the use of this medicinal plant on a large scale. In a recent study that was published in the journal PLOS One, researchers used vermicompost, a mix of organic waste that's composted by earthworms and microorganisms, to grow the plant. Vermicompost is rich in organic and inorganic nutrients that are necessary for the plant's growth, most of which are present in the liquid components of vermicompost that are called the leachate and the tea. The researchers investigated if vermicompost could increase seed germination, growth, and the metabolite content of ashwagandha. They found that successful seed germination increased when the seeds were soaked in the leachate and tea for 12 hours. Besides, when vermicompost was used, these seeds grew well too. The researchers also noticed an increase in the leaf and root mass and an earlier onset of flowering and fruiting in the ashwagandha that was cultivated using vermicompost. The most significant effect of this combination was seen in the leaves, which are the primary source of metabolites. The study also explored the anti-cancer properties of the active ingredients from ashwagandha. The extracts from the leaves showed high anti-cancer activity, but it was the quantity of vermicompost that acted as a determining factor. The researchers attributed this anti-cancer property to the increased amount of compounds called withanolide, which are produced when vermicompost and its leachate were used. Organic cultivation of ashwagandha will lead to its improved yield, germination, and growth, and it can then be grown as a food and plant-derived medical agent. The system described in this study is not limited to just the cultivation of ashwagandha, but can also be used for other medically important plants. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.